welcome to today's video. Today is just going to be a quick update. I'm going to let everybody know where we're at. I haven't made a video in 3 weeks. It's been incredibly hot here in Minnesota, around 100 degrees with a lot of humidity. This weekend's been nice. I just don't have all my parts yet. So I'm going to show you what I got going on. Okay, so I do have two projects going on. I have the transmission swap. So there's the ZF with the tunnel. There's a fiberglass repair kit I'm going to need to, actually that's a it's a kit with a kit with two fiberglass kits in it. I'm going to need quite a bit to put this tunnel in. I am not putting the whole tunnel in, but I am going to need a lot of fiberglass. The shifter, the short throw shifter, is sent out to the ZF dock for modifications for short throw. The other project I have going on here is a brake upgrade. I did do brakes last year in my car. I did the factory single piston calipers. I painted them. I did a brake job, and I had a problem this year when I went to test drive it. So I bought two rebuilt calipers last year, and I got them from two different sources, and they didn't look the same. The piston and the boot part, they were different, but I didn't have a choice. I could not get my cores back, and I just could not find any 87 calipers. So I put them on, and this year when I test drove it, the passenger side locked up on me. So I'm done. I'm not putting any more money into the standard brake job. So here are my C5 calipers. What these are takeoff calipers. They have no miles on them. But I am going to rebuild them. Here is the brackets that I need for mounting them onto an 87. Here's the hoses. Here's 2 quarts of brake fluid. I'm going to need 2 more. And if you notice, there's a whole bunch of boxes of caliper rebuild components. And the reason there's so many is I'm going to actually do 3 generations of brake calipers. I'm in a unique position where I have the 87 single piston, I have the 88 through 96 12-inch, oh I take that back, 95 and 96 were J55 only. So 88 through 94, I have the base 12-inch dual piston calipers. And then I have these C5 calipers. They're aluminum. The brackets are steel, but the caliper themselves are aluminum. So I'm going to do all 3 of them, and probably in the same video, like a side by side, disassemble, powder coat, and rebuild with all new components. So that brings me to the next step. I got a little crazy here. I decided to go for it. And so here's a powder coating gun by Eastwood. This is their dual voltage gun. I haven't used it yet. It's still in the box. It's an entry-level gun, but it pretty much ranked highest in performance for the money. So now here is just a little Eastwood benchtop blasting cabinet. So yeah, like I said, I'm going all in on this. So here's the cabinet. I haven't put it together yet. Expect a video on that. I'm gonna do a whole video on the assembly and the usage of the sandblasting and the powder coating. They're probably going to be different videos. So yep, along with the powder coating, you have to cure it. So everybody uses a Black & Decker toaster oven. So I have myself a Black & Decker toaster oven. So yeah, guys, that's the big projects going on right now. A brake upgrade with a handful of videos involving the brakes and the calipers, and then the powder coat, sandblasting and powder coating, which will be their own videos. And like I said, I'll probably do like an assembly and even a review. Oh, I do have, here's a caliper. I only have one caliper. I'm still waiting for the other one to come in. Calipers are all on back order right now. A lot of stuff is on back order. Here's the drive shaft for the manual. I'm gonna have to change the see, the reason I don't have a rear end yet, so I might have to use my Dana 36 for the time being. If I do that, I need the slip yoke. I need the slip yoke for the transmission. So I'm gonna have to put a new universal joint in. That's also on order. Back ordered, of course. So yeah, guys, that's it. I have a lot going on. Big projects. The sandblasting and powder coating. I'm actually gonna try and make some money doing that. When I tried to get my calipers powder coated, I sent out a bunch of emails to local facilities or local establishments, and only 3 people got back to me. 2 of them said they only do industrial large batch type stuff, and one of them got back and said they would do my calipers for $230 per caliper. That's not going to happen. The paint gun's $125. The paint's $20 for a pound of it, which my understanding is a pound of paint. It's going to paint a lot of calipers. The sandblasting cabinet was $200. Again, I don't have a whole lot of money invested into it, but it definitely was not in my budget. But I'm going to see if I can make some money doing this. Small powder coating jobs. Maybe I might just do brake calipers. I'm not sure yet. But that's why I spent a little money on the powder coating. I might just look into that. So yeah, guys, big stuff coming up. I have not started the transmission swap yet. I want to wait till I have everything. And the reason is the car runs and drives. I'd hate to start tearing it apart to the point where I can't do anything with it in the case that I get delayed. Like, I don't have my rear end yet. I don't know if I'm going to have that for 1 or 2 months or even this year. I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm just waiting to get my shifter back. So, alright guys, stay tuned. Things are getting pretty exciting.